What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Drive to Thrive, a chilly evening episode of Drive to Thrive, if I may say. Now, in today's video, I want to go over some charts here on Facebook because Facebook has gone through a bloodbath this last week, and I think that this actually brings us some nice opportunity to do a little bit of shopping on Facebook. So let's go over into these charts and let's see what they are telling us. So here we are on our daily chart of Facebook. Now, after this disappointing earnings right here, a miss on the earnings side and a beat on the revenue, also the guidance wasn't the greatest. Facebook has decided to go down by about 25% in a single day. Now, if you see a massive pullback like that in a single day or in a single week, you can almost always expect some kind of rally to follow. So that's what I'm kind of betting my dollars on, and this is why I started buying a little bit of Facebook down at the $100 price. Now, if I zoom in, you can see that we have this a gap right here, just around that $130 down to about $104, which I am currently expecting to fill in. So I am doing a bull put spread on Facebook as well as some stock here that I have been buying at around this $100 price point. Now, if you want me to do a detailed video on the stock spreads that I'm doing, then let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, pretty straightforward. As long as Facebook stays about this $105, which I do currently realize I am going a little bit above the current price, but this gave me a really nice credit spread for that. I think it was around $300 in credits versus like $200 in risk. So overall, pretty good reward there. And I do think we could see this gap fill in over the next few weeks. So that's kind of what I'm betting on. Now, looking at that MACD here, we are speeding to the downside here and not looking good actually. Down below this zero line, definitely looking bearish. Our stochastic RSI is down. Yeah, definitely got a little bit more room to go into this oversold territory. So far, not looking great. Now, if I zoom out and I go into this weekly chart, you can see that we've started breaking this a major support here around $122. Now, going back to around 2020 here, we just undercut this low here. Now going back to 2019 here, we touched off this line. Going back to 2017, we saw lots of reaction off of this area right here, used it as resistance here in 2016. So definitely a important level here around that $120. Now we moved beneath here, but like I said, I do expect a run up here in price, especially up towards the CPI data release and possibly even into the Christmas rally here. So that's kind of what I'm betting on. Overall, I do have another support here at around $70, and if we ever get down to the $70, this is where I'll be definitely looking to get a little bit more heavier, a little bit more aggressive on buying some Facebook shares. So far I only bought about 6 shares, not a big deal, but hey, it's my first time ever investing in this company to begin with, and I figured why not start dabbling a little bit in this company. Now, as we are sitting in this weekly chart here, our MACD definitely is still looking very bearish here, right beneath that zero line. Our stochastic RSI, however, is rotating off of this oversold territory, so possibly a run up, we shall see. Now, on a monthly, we have come down from this overextended reading to the upside, and we're trending towards the other extreme, to the other side. Now, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, anytime we get overextended like that, look for the stock to go back to the mean here. Look for it to start picking up its momentum. Look at that stochastic RSI here, completely oversold. So again, just another belief that I have that in the long term, this stock will be moving higher from these levels, and $99 is a good area to get in. But if we ever get down to $70, this is where I'll be licking my chops and going heavy. Now, overall, I could see some bullishness on Facebook. That's why I have that bull put spread here over the next month that I'm hoping to capitalize on. But keep an eye out on the $70. Let me know in the comments below what your price targets are, what you think about Facebook, the whole Meta platform, and otherwise enjoy your evening and have a great time. Bye bye.